Hi, I'm James Welsh.
And I'm Robert Welsh.
And we are back on the Space NK YouTube channel for a bit of a challenge.
Yes, Space NK have challenged us to pick some of our 10 must-have mini products for summer, and we're going to be filling up our Summer Society travel bags. They're so cute.
They're so cute. 60 seconds.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I've never been more ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no, that's too quick. Okay, so we're going to the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blushes here. These are so small, but we all know they have pigmentation, so you're going to be using that for the rest of your life. They have a by Terry. They're doing the loose version of the hyaluronic acid. Oh my God, I'm saying hyaluronic powder. So we're going to put that in there. Okay, we're going to pick up the Borean Super BB Concealer. This is stunning. That's not my shade, but we'll get that another time. And then let's go to, okay, let's go for a beauty blender, because these always come in handy, whether you want to use it with your actual makeup or just blot away oil. Oh, by Terry CC Serum. We need a mascara. Mascara's always a good one. This one, Elia, for any kind of lash is perfect. Westman Atelier little highlight stick. That's always good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 3 more. Oh, Kosas Concealer. Beautiful. Again, great for all skin types. Panic. Okay, yeah, let's do another powder. Let's go for the Laura Mercier powder, just because. Okay, cleanser. I know this is a skincare one. I'm sorry, James, but we need to remove our makeup properly with a double cleanse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait,
There are seconds to spare.
Okay, 60 seconds. I'm going to be just as strict with time as you were. Kind of
Time
harsh,
is
actually.
time. You had 60 seconds.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 60 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
Immediately over here, we're going to start with a cleanse. I think for a double cleanse, you can go with the Living Cleansing Balm from Then I Met You. 2-in-1 cleanser, sorted. I'm going to go back around here. I'm going to take the Dr. Jart Seeker Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. Okay, let's just go for a good lip balm, always needed. A mini iconic exfoliant, definitely need that. SPF, we have one for application and reapplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Don't want to panic you.
No, it's fine.
Don't
It's
wanna panic
absolutely
you.
fine. Oh, we can't forget our bodies, so we're gonna go for a little body serum as well for those drier patches. And then a good cleanse if you do need that little bit of extra cleansing. If you're a little bit greasy, that's me, that's for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
3 more.
3 more. Ooh, let's go with body care again. Little body wash and lotion duo there.
That counts as 2.
That counts as 2.
Kind of cheating, but
1,
that's
2,
fine.
3, 4, 5,
One more,
6,
one
7.
more.
Okay. Oh no, I don't. Okay. Ooh. Any emergency breakouts? You're gonna need some patches. Done.
Well done.
Oh.
Well done.
As usual, went well. I'm a little bit shaken up by the whole experience. That's the most exercise I've done for a very long time.
Yeah.
But we did it.
We did it, and we got some really good picks. Some necessities.
Necessities. Yeah, necessities. I'm actually very happy with them. Should we just start with the cleansers? Because
Let's
we both
do
got
it.
cleansers.
We both chose a different cleansing balm, but both are still very, very necessary. Let's start with yours.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, for me, the Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm, I carry this everywhere with me, this mini, because it works great for both stages of a double cleanse. A lot of people think double cleanse, you have to have 2 separate cleansers. You can just have one. And for me, those cleansing balms kind of break down everything a lot easier than your standard cleanser. Not better, just easier. For me, the Then I Met You one, I love the Elemis one too, but the Then I Met You one just feels like a lot lighter and a bit more of like a luxurious sensorial experience. And also just feels lighter as somebody with quite oily combination skin.
Yeah.
But yeah, I love it.
So, what you said about the texture of this one, I love the Elemis one because it is slightly richer, and I like a good massage when I'm removing my makeup. I love to really melt it in and melt all that foundation away, watch it melt away, but also give my skin a nice like pull and tug where I need to after a day, you know what I mean? So that's why I love this one. Again, it doesn't hang around on the skin after you cleanse it away, but while it's on the skin, it's rich, it's thick, it's almost like a good massage.
Yeah,
one of my
very
favorites.
nice.
Love that one.
Both very nice. Luxury experiences. So for me, summer means breaking out a little bit more, especially on my forehead. So I had to pick up the Kate Somerville Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. This is great for breakouts, easily blemish-prone skin, which is us. So it's always good to have like a little cleanser like this on the go that you can use to keep your skin kind of in check, even if you're not breaking out. It's also very calming and soothing. We have oat in here, which I always look for in like cleansers for me, just to calm everything down, because I tend to pick and itch, but that's very, very soothing.
Yeah. So listen, I'm not going to do this in any kind of order, but I was so excited to see this powder. The By Terry Hyaluronic Acid Hydra Powder, there's a press version and a loose version. So they did the mini travel one in a press. This is the loose one. It's just the best powder ever. It's smooth, it's that finely jet milled powder, so it kind of gives that really nice blur to the skin without being cakey. I could I could literally just bite it.
Is that what you've been talking about, even like in between filming? Is
Yeah,
that what I'm talking about?
I'm getting this, I'm getting this.
Like, I get it, you like it. Okay, so talking of skin prep, which we weren't at all,
No.
I just wanted to segue into this. This is Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, an icon in the skincare world. My skin can feel very congested, weighed down with like sunscreen and product, just really goes into those pores, melts everything away. Then also helps with skin texture too. You do have to be extra vigilant though when you're using actives of any kind, especially exfoliants, to wear your sunscreen the next day.
Oh yeah, especially
But
in summer.
a must-have for me. Great for like sun and breakouts too.
Okay, so the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush. In my opinion, these should come in this size anyway. They are so pigmented, you need the smallest amount. You probably won't ever get through this one in a lifetime, so this is a perfect travel companion. You don't necessarily need to top up your blush all the time, but this can be a multi-use thing. On the lips, on the cheeks, when you're on a plane or you're traveling a lot or just out for the day, and you want to keep some color on the face, but you don't want to take your whole makeup bag with you, this is a great one to go for. Let me take it out, sorry.
I feel like you pick this whenever we do a challenge, or whenever we have to pick like our favorite Space NK brands. This is always like a...
This is always gonna be a winner. Look how cute that is.
That is. Just needs a key ring. That would be perfect.
It just needs a key ring. Yeah.
I have rosacea, mild rosacea, but again, in summer, it just flares up, whether that's because of the heat or because of the sunscreen or lack of sunscreen, if I ever accidentally go out without sunscreen. So disguising a little bit of that redness is kind of important for me. The Dr. Jart Seeker Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment is kind of like a moisturizer that uses that green color correcting, just kind of make everything a bit more neutralized. What I will say about this is if you have dry cheeks, I have combination skin, so dry here, oily here. Just need to make sure you moisturize a little bit more so that this sits more smoothly on the skin.
Right, because you can get that texture from it, can sit in some
Yeah,
textures as well.
yeah, but when you prep your skin properly, this just makes all the difference to that redness. So yeah, just a little something. And again, this lasts forever because you just need the tiniest bit.
I'm talking about redness on the skin, concealer that you can travel with. This one is from Kosas. This is really great at layering up. Some concealers, you can be like, oh, they kind of dry down and it gets difficult to retouch them up, but this is a really good one if you just need to retouch under the eyes a little bit. Perhaps your foundation's come off on your nose or your chin and you just want to touch up. Great one, great size, great one to travel with. That's the whole point of this thing, so I don't know why I keep saying that.
Sunscreen on the go is a must, so I had to pick up this ultraviolet lightweight SPF Duo. Yeah, like 2 minis. This is an ultralight, really fluidy sunscreen. You put this on your skin, it moisturizes, but then really just kind of like almost like disappears on the skin. It doesn't because it's there protecting you, but if you're oily, if you're dry, if you're dehydrated, your skin is going to love this. It just seems to fit all skin types like perfectly, a go-to. Great for reapplication too, because you don't have to like look in the mirror and make sure you're not missed an area, or like you have
absorb,
or you have like sunscreen sat in your facial hair or eyebrows or hairline. Then we have the Preen Screen, which is a little SPF reapplication spray. So really, really good. You have to spray this a fair bit to get the adequate protection, but start off with your base and then you can reapply this safely throughout the day.
I chose another concealer, but this is a BB one. This is from Aborian, and it's kind of like a lot lighter than you would expect a concealer to be. Think like a tint to the skin. So if you're not looking for something quite as full coverage, this is a good one to go for.
Perfect. Now listen, I don't know a lot about this product, but I love Junebird as body care products. Their body wash, body cream, amazing. So when I saw this body serum, I had to pick it up. I think a lot of us, especially for summer, I think a lot of us neglect our bodies in the summer. In the sea, swimming pools, you know, we forget how drying that could be for our bodies. So a nice body serum with like those kind of skincare ingredients you'll find for like your face. Perfect, perfect. A little mini you could apply on the go.
So I did pick up another powder, the Laura Mercier one. This one does have a little bit more of that tint to it. So if you're not looking for something quite as light or sheer as a by Terry one, and you like a little bit of that colouring here, this is a great one to go for. And a mini, so great for summer.
Also great for summer is a lip balm. Lip balms all round. I mean, you just need to carry them with you, really. People forget that even in the summer, you can still become dry and dehydrated. I love the Glossier ones because they come with a little tint of color. And they also give your lips a nice hydration and then trap everything in. Really, really nice.
A beauty blender is a bit of a weird one to travel around with because a lot of people like to soak them and make them damp or just use them like this. Beauty blenders are great touch-up tools. You're sweating, you're oily, tap with a beauty blender and you're repairing that damage and you can retouch up whenever you want to. Great tool for more than just retouching up your makeup or applying makeup.
Good tip.
Yeah,
okay.
great for summer.
Great for summer. My final one is the Starface Hydro Star Pimple Patches. As I keep mentioning, I break out consistently throughout summer. So these kind of nude toned pimple patches are ones that you actually wouldn't mind wearing out in public,
Right.
just to take care of those emergency pimples, like before, I don't know, before a big event in the evening.
Exactly.
This will stop you picking them as well. I'm a picker.
I have a By Terry Mini. This is a brightening CC serum. Exactly what it says. Really great glow to the skin. So on those days where you don't want to be wearing too much on the skin, but you want to look healthy, perhaps you're walking around some village in Europe. What do people do on holidays?
They do that.
They do that. This is a great one to touch up with and apply just to look like you're naturally glowing. Beautiful product.
So I cheated a little bit. I got a 2-in-1. This is the Paros Tides like body collection. They have all different bits, but I got the body wash and the body lotion.
Beautiful.
So nice. Purely for the fact that this transports you. If you're not going on holiday, this will slightly take you there for about 5 minutes in the shower.
5 minutes.
It's like, it smells like you're in Greece. That's the only way we can describe it.
It smells like salt in the shower. It's like beachy, showery, clean.
But
at
also
the
like a
same
bit of
time.
fragrance that you save for summer. It
Right.
smells like holiday.
Holiday. Great for summer. I've chosen a mini mascara because we all know mascara can run, we all know mascara can do whatever it wants to do. This has a great brush because it kind of separates, it gives a little bit of volume, but it's not going to cake up, it's not going to look crunchy and crusty. So yeah, great for summer travel. Last one from Westman Atelier, great product. So this is the Lit Up Highlight Stick. Really natural and not heavy at all, and really natural. And this is a great multi-use on, a little bit on the lip, a little bit on the eyelids if you want a full look, a little bit on the cheeks, it looks like you're glowing.
Summer glow.
Summer glow, great for summer. Looks like you're not sweating. That's what you want from a nice travel highlight. We did it.
We did really well, I think. I think we panicked a bit more than usual,
Yes.
but especially with these minis, I do think you need to think it through and like what you actually
You
need.
can have a whole routine just from these minis. So
Yeah.
you really want to get in exactly what you need and want and what's going to work for you for summer.
For summer. Summer essentials,
Yes.
really, all from Space and Kate. Love it.
Beautiful. Done.
Oh, okay.